Hey, it's fancy dancing way of life, you feel me? Let's get it. It's fancy dancing way of life. Wanna be the boss, gotta roll the dice, gotta sacrifice to get it right. They cross you once, don't trust them twice. You messed it up, can't get a slice. Now my light shines so bright, and my heart cold as ice. Just the intro, fancy dancing. YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Fancy Dancy, and I'm back with another video. I just got back home and I am starving. I'm tired too, so you probably can see it in my eyes, but matter of fact, I'm gonna bring y'all along on a day that I go through, like a normal day of mine. Matter of fact, I was already supposed to shoot that video. I actually started shooting it, but something came up, so y'all gonna have to wait. That's gonna be in the next video. But we are about to go grab some food. Gia's in there eating now. I think she just finished, so she probably finna take a nap. I just got back, I'm starving. I've been on go all day, so it's that time, man. I am ready to go. I know Juju hungry. She haven't ate since this morning, and I ate while I was out, and it wasn't even that much. I just had like a little snack, but I'm ready to go thrash, man. So if you've been watching my videos and in tune with my videos, y'all know about one of our favorite spots called Teapot. Up here it's called Teapot, but they do have a K-Pot back down south. I also think it's one up here too, but the one close to us is called Teapot. We got another Korean spot that we want to try, but y'all will see that in another video. But we're about to head out soon, man. Let me go get Gia's stuff ready, her backpack, and we about to go. Got Gia bag grabbed. Gia's right here. She's throwing a fit because she was nodding off and Juju woke her up. But we have to because we are starving. It's time for us to go grab some food. You got to eat, Gia. Now it's our turn.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that little smirk. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we pull up. Yes, sir. We at the spot. We at the spot. We at the spot. Let's get my babies.
I'm locked.
I'll unlock it. Gia, first time in Teapot. Outside her mama belly. Yeah, time to grill. I gotta bring out the plate for this. Gia looking like what's going on?
She went right back to sleep.
Good, but you know what's going on. Zoom out.
Look at that mug. Say, I'm sleepy.
Time to grill. Get the backpack. Let's go. Time for some sushi. I gotta go spicy yellowtail first. Gotta go spicy yellowtail first. But this spicy tuna is Juju favorite. Here you get the iPad instead of just choosing from the menu. You can scroll through these, but show y'all what we got so far ordered. Didn't show y'all me putting the veggies in, but of course I got the spicy soup. Juju went and got some sides. Her soup over there. We got the meats right here. Gonna be plenty more of that. And the seafood pancake right here. Fire. Of course, Juju gotta be extra Korean. She got on her Korea shirt. And got a million plates on the table.
Thank you.
The sushi just came. Yeah. A little bit of everything in one bite. Got the veggies. Got oyster, clam, mushroom. Let's see what this shit on. Everything in one bite. Let's get it. Yep. Gonna be like big. Spicy. Juju trying to do what I do now. Look at her. Round 2. Fight. Got another sushi. We haven't tried this yet, so now is the time. We're gonna see what this ain't on. Of course, had to get my favorite and Juju favorite right here. Send it. Came out in a jiffy. Now it's time to put Juju to work on the grill. So Juju went to change Gia, so I did get on the grill as usual. I was gonna make her do it though, but y'all check this out. Yeah, getting that little crisp on it. And next is my favorite. Yeah, boy, a grill master, I'm telling you. Ooh, look at that. Yes, sir. 3. What else I want? We're gonna go for another one of Juju favorites. This was him today, so gotta grab it. Send it out. Yes, sir. And I'm telling you, if y'all haven't tried Korean barbecue, you got to. And how you're not gonna find anywhere else where you can order this much food for this price. And we need one more sushi, so we're gonna grab this one. Haven't tried this yet, and it looks super fire, so send it. Yes, sir. Another sushi. Let's go. Okay, now let's make Juju get on the grill and see who's better. So that's Juju style. I'm not really a fan, so let's get me another sushi that I can eat. And we're gonna go with the spicy yellowtail again. Need that. Let's get it. Juju don't want to show off her skills, so round 2. Show y'all what's up. And this is just a little sneak peek. Y'all don't want to see me on the real grill. Ooh, look at that crust. Look at that crust right there. Ain't no touches. Yeah. Finish him. Look at Juju. When you get full at a restaurant and don't want to move, this how you look. I can go to sleep right now. It is a couple of days later. Gia finally knocked out. We've been waiting on her to go to sleep, so it could be a little bit easier. She just finished eating and pooped, so we got a little time. We are about to go. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna say too much. Y'all just come on along. I'm gonna show y'all. And we here.
Or you can't see, but
I've been wanting this for a while, and we're finally here. Gia's first time here. Still can't eat nothing yet, but she should enjoy the vibe. Got the calamari out. Super fire too. Got a little watermelon Rita. What you think? Calamari great. over there making her poop face. We haven't noticed she pooped yet, but we're pretty sure it's coming. Good stuff is here. Yes, sir. Time to grub. Juju over there trying to put Gia to sleep so she can grub. Let's get to it. Mixed it up real good for the garlic and heat. The big open. Gonna give y'all a sneak peek before I get too much into it, you know. Get on in there. So the first bag down, and on the very last one, I tore my gloves. I guess I'm eating too fast and going through it like Speed Racer. But I need some more gloves. I've been feeding me and Juji. She got a spoiled girl over there. Don't want to go to sleep. But I'm gonna get to this next bag. We gotta get some new gloves first. But it is pressure. I think the flavor this time is even better than last time. No cap. But round two, let's fight. Flawless victory.
but potatoes in there.
If your crawfish not overflowing, you didn't eat enough. You see that?
Gia finally sleep, and we cleared the back. Well, he was feeding me and eating, but still, I'm pretty sure he ate about 5 pounds of crawfish, and I ate about 2. We ordered 7 pounds. I'm full though.
The calamari was fire.
Yeah, especially when you dipped it in the garlic water.
So the food was super good. I forgot to record, but we just made a quick stop at Giant. Got us some groceries for the week, so we don't have to order nothing. Make somebody, probably gonna be me, cook. But we finna get ready to head home. I forgot to record, but I think I got a good bit recorded anyway. I see my total at the top. I'm like an hour in. I'm probably gonna edit it, most of it, so it's gonna be like at least a 30-minute video. But we're finna get ready to head home now. Gia, my baby's starting to get aggravated in the store. Everybody talking too loud and stuff. Not playing, but she was being too still. I think she was good the whole time, was moving. Then we got to the checkout line and she started cutting up. But we headed home now, finna get these groceries out. Of course, I gotta get with the dog, so I'll pick y'all back up. We're back at the crib. I'm taking Gia bag out first. Got all these groceries right here. Take this in the house, then come back out and grab that. And I'm gonna cut back on the camera after. And we just got all the groceries inside. Juju's gonna organize that, because when it comes to organizing, it ain't for me. Now I can organize pretty good, but Juju is the organizing. She want everything a certain way, and I just put stuff up where it fit. She have it to a T. But anyway, it is currently 7:20. Y'all heard that? That is Mr. Wino. I'm gonna let him out. And Nyla. And it's gonna be Beto! And this is gonna be them getting let out for tonight, so hopefully somebody going and use the bathroom, because he never liked using the bathroom or want to wake us up in the middle of the night. But I didn't let him out before to force him to go use the bathroom when we get back. Of course, Nyla, she's gonna go and handle her business as usual, but he always gives us a hard time. But anyway, man, that's gonna be it for this one, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the next one. Peace.
Fancy dancing way of life. Wanna be the boss, gotta roll the dice, gotta sacrifice to get it right. They cross you once, don't trust them twice. You messed it up, can't get a slice. Now my light shines so bright, and my heart cold as ice. Just the intro, fancy dancing.